Hello, honey pie. Come away in and see who's at home today.
Granny Murray's house has two at home to play. Granny Murray's house is home too.
Who's here today? Well, there's Hope and there's Rachel. I don't just sit there, treacle pies. Let's get busy. You, please. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear my voice? Hello, hello. What does that look like? Hello.
Telephone.
It sure does. Well done. So we'll push the whole way through. That's the way. Then we try and pull it through. That's it. Hello, hello, Rachel. Hello.
Hello.
Someone's missing today. Not anymore. Whose legs are those coming down the steps? Oh, it's Lisa with Raymond. Hello there. Raymond.
Hiya, Granny Murray.
Oh, and Lisa. Oh, what a laugh we've had. We're very busy in here. It's like the telephone exchange.
Natter. Lisa loves to chat.
Oh, she'll have plenty to talk about today. We're planning a special event. We're going to have a look around the police station.
Oh, wow. I've always wanted to play the part of a policeman. Ooh.
Oh, that's a good idea. Why don't you guys dress Claude up as a policeman? There we are. I've always liked a man in uniform, Raymond.
Well, step this way, madam.
Oh, don't mind if I do.
Well, I didn't know about the police station, but I did remember to bring Lisa's roller skates.
Oh, that uniform suits him.
I'll just find the other one.
What's that?
It's a roller skate.
Yes, but what for?
For Lisa.
Oh, is she going skating?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Who's she going with?
I thought she was going with you. Isn't she? Going roller skating? No, she isn't, is she?
No, we're just going to the police station.
Oh, I must have misunderstood. I thought that Tina said that...
Oh, it's very important to have clear lines of communication, sweetheart.
You're right there.
That way, everybody knows what the other is talking about.
Well, I better get to work.
Oh, look at Claude. What a dish. Oh,
Afternoon, officer.
well done, everyone.
Here you are.
Oh, are those for me? Thanks, Lisa.
You're a kind girl.
Bye.
See you later, Angel. I better get to work.
OK, my darlings. You play there and I'll see Daddy out. Remember, it's important to have clear lines of communication.
Thanks, Granny Murray. You guys have a fun day.
Thanks, darling. We'll be thinking of you.
Me too.
Now, will you keep a wee eye on Raymond? Make sure he gets the right way to work.
I'm a bit late for work today. Can you tell me a quick way to get there? Thanks. I'm in a hurry. I need to speed to work. I take a ticket on the metro. I'll be there quite quick. Hurry on the train lines. Clatter at the points. Whining drives the speed up. Squeaking slows us down. Clatter through the streets now, squeaking to our stop. I'm in a hurry. I really need to get to work. I'm in a hurry. Hurry. Okay, so we're here. But before I can get down to some work, I have to change. So, busy. All stocked up and ready to go. It's going to be a very busy day today. Oh, hello, young madam. You are my first customer of the day. What would you like? Milk. A glass of water. Oh dear.
Hi, Raymond.
Hi, Bobby. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. Hi. Samantha, can I help you? I'd like a drink of orange juice, please. And can I have a bottle of water?
Oh, 1 bottle of orange juice and 1 bottle of water coming right up. Thanks, Bobby.
That's that's okay. Samantha is deaf and she uses sign language to talk.
Oh, sorry, I'm not very good at sign language.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, I didn't know you were travelling with us today.
Yeah, I'm with a group of children from the deaf school and we're going to see a gymnastics display.
That sounds great fun. So what kind of things will you see there, eh?
Okay, so what will we see there? Okay, we're going to see some somersaults and cartwheels.
Oh, that sounds great fun. Well, that's £2.50, please.
Okay. There you go.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye. Oh. I wonder how Lisa's getting on at the police station.
I love to skip in Riversy Fingal by the sea. I love to skip in Riversy Fingal, that's for me.
Who wants to have a look at the police van?
Yay!
Brilliant. Okay, I'll go. Police van. One is actually. Oh. Right, so there's our blue lights up there. And we want to make a noise. Yeah? Different noise.
Oh, Lisa, if only your dad could see you now.
Are you having fun, Daddy?
Service!
Oh, hiya, guys. Nice to see you.
We've come to sample your delicious buffet car fare.
What would you like?
What have you got?
I've got water, coffee, juice or tea. Choose anything here that you can see. Biscuits, cakes, tuna bakes or any kind of sandwich I can make. Would you like BLT, egg mayonnaise, sausage beef or ham and cheese, bread or roll, brown or white, whatever you choose, I'll try to get it right.
2 bottles of... water?
2 bottles of water.
No, make that 1 bottle of water.
1 bottle of water.
Yes, please, with 2...
2,
straws.
1 bottle of water and 2 straws. Coming up. Thanks.
See you later.
See you later.
Bye. Well, they were easily pleased. Now it's time to start work. I love my train.
Our rushes through the lines, pushes things to far and wide. Wheels go round and round the tracks, drive the edge of air and back.
I'm so happy being me, doing all the things I love to do. Chocolate, lemonade or tea, I'm just very happy serving you. Oh, I talk all day, making special moments on my way. I'll tell a joke and toast some cheese on toast. Oh, I walk all day, bringing smiles and happiness my way. Being nice is what I love the most.
Six is check the looking fine, signal go will be on time. Cars is rolling home behind, don't go one by one in line.
I'm so happy being me, meeting all the people on the train. Can I help and clear your things? If there is a problem, I'll explain. Oh, I talk all day, wheeling trolleys, weaving to this way. I'll do a trick and make the journey quick. Oh, I walk each way, loving all the things I do each day, bringing smiles and happiness my way. I love my train. Watching the stars tonight. Hello there. What can I get you?
Okay, so what do you want to eat? Okay, so that's a cheese sandwich,
Cheese sandwich.
an apple,
Apple.
and another apple,
Right.
please.
Oh! Well, coming up.
Are we there yet?
12 o'clock. No, we're not meant to arrive anywhere yet. That's £2, please.
There you go.
Thank you.
Right, well, we'd best get back to our seats.
Buffy car, Raymond speaking. Oh, hello, Dave, yeah. Do you know what's going on? Well, I mean, the train is stopped, but it's 12 o'clock. We're not due to arrive anywhere yet. Oh, I see. There's been a bit of a problem. So we've stopped, just as a precaution. Well, Keep me updated. Thanks, Dave. Bye.
It appears we have a bit of a problem, Sarge.
I wonder how Lisa's getting on at the police station.
Okay, Sarge, what's that? Yeah. Cow near the line, drum trim lacati.
Oh, did you hear that, everyone? There's a cow near the railway line. Oh, Lisa, I hope your dad's not been delayed by that cow.
What are you doing on your train, Daddy?
Oh. Fooled you. Hello, Raymond speaking. Oh no. There's a what? There's a cow near the railway line? So the train is going to be delayed for some time as a precautionary measure. Oh, people aren't going to be happy. What? So everyone can have a complimentary drink and something to eat to make up for the delay. That's a great idea. Thanks, Dave. Bye.
Hello again.
Another bottle of water, is it?
No thanks, I'm really hungry.
Me too. It's way past lunchtime. I thought we'd be there by now.
Unfortunately, there's been a bit of a problem.
What's going on?
There's a cow near the railway line.
Is it trying to catch the train?
I hope it's got a ticket.
No, the train has been stopped as a precaution because there's a cow near the railway line.
Oh no.
But the management have decided that everyone can have a free drink and something to eat to make up for the delay.
Fantastic. But
So, what would you like?
Do you realise just how busy this train is?
do you really think you're going to be able to serve everyone?
Of course I will.
You will?
Yes. Well, once I know what everyone wants, I will. But how will I be able to find out what everybody wants? Oh no. I have a train full of hungry passengers and it's lunchtime already. How will I ever get all those orders? Where did the time go? At 8 o'clock, I went to Granny Murray's to drop off Lisa. I was very mixed up because I thought Lisa was going skating, but she wasn't. Granny Murray told me she was going to visit the police station, so the children helped dress up Claude as a policeman. At 9 o'clock, I arrived at work. I learned some sign language with a group of deaf children Bobby was taking to a gymnastics display. At 12 o'clock, the train stopped. At 1 o'clock, I got the message that there was a cow near the railway line, so to be safe, the train was stopped. Because of the delay, the management decided that everyone could have a free drink and snack, but the ferry boat band told me how busy the train was. How could I find out what everybody wanted?
Now remember, it's important to have clear lines of communication.
Clear lines of communication. Communication. Clear. Of course. I know.
What's up, Raymond? Can I help?
You're exactly the person I need. You and the children could take everyone's snack orders and then sign them down the train to me. That would be really clear, and then everyone would get what they'd ordered. It's a race against time. I've got to do it. I've got to do it. I've got to beat the clock before the chime. I've got to sort it. I've got to sort it. I've got to do the job on time. Like a busy bee, I'm going to beat that bong. I'm going to finish this job before I finish this song.
Do we think he's going to do it? Do the job that needs to be done? Will he know how to fix it? Will he finish what he has begun? Yes, as sure as we are friends, he will get there in the end because he knows what he should do. I'm working through.
I've got to do it.
He's going to do it.
I've got to beat the clock before the chime. I've got to sort it.
He's going to start it.
I've got to do the job on time. Like a busy bee, I'm going to beat that bong. I'm going to finish this job before I finish this song. Is that the last one?
The very last.
Have a seat. I think we deserve this.
Thank you.
Wait till I tell Lisa. She'll never believe there was a cow near the railway line.
Remember, Lisa, you only call 999 in a real emergency. Oh, look! The cow's been successfully removed away from the railway line. Just goes to show how important good, clear lines of communication are. Then everybody knows what everybody else is doing. Oh, Lisa, I hope that cow didn't cause problems for your dad. Raven!
Hi, Granny Murray.
Hello! Through you come. Look who's here, Lisa.
Hi, Lisa.
Hello.
Did you have a fun time with Granny Murray?
We had a fab time.
And are you going to say thank you to Granny Murray?
Thank you.
And it's a big thank you to you from me too, Granny Murray. I remembered what you said. It's important to have clear lines of communication. It saved the day.
Well, I never did. Come on, you two want to be off home. Oh, good girl. Looking forward to next time.
Me too. Come on, Lisa. Let's talk about our time away.
And I suppose you want me to tell you all about my time too?
Well, there was playing, running, creeping, jumping, chasing, painting, laughing, baking, bathing, dressing, singing, swinging, walking, sliding, hunting, hiding, jumping up and turning round, dressing up and sitting down.
But what was really special about today? Well, Claude was dressed up as a policeman because we were going to visit the police station. Lisa pretended to drive a police car there. In the control centre, there were policemen talking to each other on walkie-talkies and using the radio to contact other police stations. While we were there, a message came through that there was a cow near the railway line. We wondered if Raymond's train had to stop. Later, another message came through that the cow had been moved, and when Raymond came home, he told us he had been on the train delayed by the cow. The line is clear. The cow has been successfully removed. Repeat, the line is clear. Do you think I sound like a policeman? Did you enjoy yourself? Me too.